Let's dive into an overview of Industrial Process Manager. The Industrial Process Manager application is used to create the ISA 95 Equipment Model Data Foundation required for the Operational Technology Management solution. With this application, you can create your own version of the equipment models for your sites. The ISA 95 equipment model is an industry standard that represents an industrial facility and the production equipment in it. This model begins at the enterprise level and contains a detailed hierarchical structure that describes each industrial site. You can describe the equipment model entities in your facilities by defining an equipment model template with different levels and level types. Use the template to map your equipment model entities and create multiple models for various industrial sites. Manage user access to equipment model information by site and level by defining level types. Manage user access to sites. The equipment model entity includes the name and description, assigned hierarchical levels used to sort and structure the equipment model data, and types that represent different areas, functions, or production processes within a hierarchical level. When managing an equipment model entity schedule with the Industrial Process Manager application, you can track several planned downtime schedules. Schedules can be linked to any equipment model entity. Users with the Equipment Model Downtime Planner role can add, modify, or delete equipment model entity schedules. They can also maintain schedules, associate schedules with equipment model entities, and select time to work on operational technology incidents or remediation tasks. After creating a schedule, you can view all the equipment model data for a specific site with the Equipment Model Manager in the Industrial Workspace, including related child entities, OT devices, OT incidents, and OT change requests. You can also map upstream and downstream processes for an equipment model entity and view available maps as needed. Use Industrial Process Manager to create and manage custom equipment models for your industrial facilities. To learn more, see our product documentation or knowledge base, or ask a question in the ServiceNow community.